Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss about the important topics on which you need to focus for lesson number 8, Geography, Nature and Scope for 12th standard students. I hope you all are studying well and you are studying with the same spirit which you were studying before. Okay, so board examinations will be conducted. Don't fall prey to the misconception news whichever are going around. So kindly keep studying, keep striving hard. Whatever you study is not going to go in waste. Finally, it is going to help you in the future, right? So just don't rely on the news and focus on your studies till the final decision is taken by the government. So let us begin quickly. What are the important topics which you need to focus on this chapter? Basically, this chapter comes in the priority number 3. If you have seen the videos, all the videos of the previous chapters, like from 1st to 7, I have made a separate video for each and every chapter. Like I have made a video for first, so what are the important topics in it, so I have made like that. How to write the paper, what is the strategy to solve each and every question, so that also video I have prepared. Kindly watch the videos on my channel. I have prepared a playlist also. Now in this chapter, basically this is a new chapter which is introduced this year. So you need to know the meaning of geography. What is geography? So the definition here is clear cut given, that geography is the study of earth phenomena related to it. So there are different types of geography. Then who is a geographer? So a geographer is who studies the geography, right? So it studies the geography and its phenomena. Okay, later on you need to know the types of geography. So basically in this chapter you need to focus on skills of geographer. So this is the paragraph on which you are going to focus. This is the diagram which is very important, which you can see here. So I'll just take the diagram. So this is the diagram which I feel is important. You must do it. Some question may come on these diagrams, to draw a diagram by Strabo or draw a world map by Hecatus, but as the diagram section is only for 2 marks, I don't feel that they may ask you such a difficult diagram, but still just focus on it, have a watch on the diagram structure. Later on we'll go further. There can be some give reasons which can be asked and differentiate between. Even this diagram is very important. You may be asked about this diagram in the diagram section. So in this chapter basically you need to focus on physical geography, human geography, as well as you need to focus on possibilism and determinism's difference. So those differences are also important if you see with this chapter's prospectus. Okay. There can be some give reasons which can be asked, like human geography is multidisciplinary in nature. Yeah, so you can just write the answers according to it, how it is dynamic. You can also, there can be also a question like geography is dynamic in nature. Why so? So give reason related to it. So some of the questions can be asked in such a manner. Then in the objective sections, you can focus on the diagrams which I feel which are important in those cases. And some diagrams, some objectives can come like match the pairs in the column A, B and C section, like question number 1 related to GPS. So this is what I feel is important in this chapter. Again, I'll just repeat it once. For this chapter, basically it carries 8 marks. Nothing much important points in this chapter, as it is totally new chapter introduced this year. Kindly focus on what is geography, what is geographer, what are the skills of geographer, why geography is dynamic in nature. Write down these questions. Whatever I'm saying, definitely those questions are very important, and apart from that I don't think something else can come. Then difference between determinism, possibilism, why geography is considered dualistic in nature. Okay, so what do you mean by man dominates nature or nature dominates man? So that also you need to know. So this is the important diagram. Latest trends in geography. So this is also a topic which may come, which may attach, or which may create a willingness in you in the case of geography subject. So latest trends in geography is also an important topic which can be asked in the short note. So this is what I feel is important for this chapter. You can go with the exercise, because whatever I've said, some of them are already present in exercise, like geography is dynamic in nature, geography is dualistic in nature, geography is multidisciplinary in nature. ठीक है, differences ये दो बहुत important है, right? Then skills required to study in geography. What are the skills of geographers? Okay, and this is the thing, that is latest trends in geography. Okay, these are the important things. So if you like the video, if you feel it helpful, just subscribe the channel.